Now just remember guys, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a splitter, a front lip, or something for the car. Welcome back to another video. I got something to show you real quick. Ready? All right, I told you guys we got a new mod for the car. Can anybody guess what it is? Pause the video, comment down below what you think it is. What you guys think it is? What you guys think it is? This is something we needed a long time ago. So our new mod is, you know what it is? That's right. We finally got a rear diffuser for the car after literally years. I did everything. It's like the last thing that, like one of the last things that I gotta do visual wise is this. For most of you guys, you should do it first, but I don't know why I waited so long. Should we mock it up? Should we? Alright. Can't show you guys too much. Can't show you guys too much. Not until it's done. Alright guys, I got some good news and some bad news. Which one you want first? Alright, let's go for the bad news. Unfortunately, again, I think we broke an axle on the car. So I think this is like what, the second axle? No, I don't know, it's like a second, third, or fourth axle, I don't even know, that has broken on the car. Well, I think it's the right one. I've been hearing some popping, and the car, when you like under hard acceleration, it shakes, but it's, I don't like it. Like, can you guys hear the pops? I don't even know if you can hear it on camera. Look, it shake. I don't know if you guys can get it. You guys probably can't see it, but the car shakes. Let me try it again. All right, let's see if we can do it. Like, look at the mirror or something. I don't know. We gotta take it easy because I don't know how long this axle will last me. I'm trying to, I don't know, it's not even know 100% if it's the axle, the transmission, or something. All I know is that it's shaking every time I accelerate pretty hard. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it's pretty bad. We're gonna go to a location real quick, and I gotta show you guys something with the brakes. Yeah, so many of you guys asked about the brakes, and I just have some answers for you, and I gotta show you what happened and what I did. So see you in a bit. If you guys hear that bug, my bad. I did not know that these dang bugs are gonna be here, because like we're like in the middle of nowhere, honestly. Now just remember, guys, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a splitter, a front lip, or something for the car. I did put a poll. So far, like literally, well, 80% of the people out of like 100 and something votes or whatever, they picked the rear diffuser. So I guess we're gonna be doing the rear diffuser. So guys, subscribe so we can get 2,000 subscribers, and we can do that giveaway as soon as possible, so I can give something else away, but something even better. You know, you never know, you never know. I'll be giving good things away. But the brakes, guys, let me just start by saying the brake pads that I have, they throw just like a little bit of dust, as you guys can see here. You know, a little bit more than what my other ones, my stock one used to throw, but it's, you know, it's minimal. It's not like the wheel is black or anything. But many of you guys ask about the brakes, where I got them. So I got them from Amazon. These are the power stop brakes. You can get them on Amazon. I think you can get them on eBay, I'm not sure, but I got them on Amazon. I do have a link in my description to these, to the rotors, to the brake pads. Another thing, the rotors, they're good. The only little complaint that I have with the rotors, I don't know what it is, but it's just like makes a little bit of sound, just a little bit, when you're braking for like a while. When I mean a while, you press on the brake and you just let it on, you know, you're slowing down from like 80, 90. They just make like a little bit of noise, but it's, you know, you listen to music or whatever, you really won't even hear it. What is the difference between these and the stock ones? I'll be honest with you, the pedal feel is almost the same, exactly the same, right? The only difference is when you press on the brake with this one, like once it grabs and you press on the brake, it just grabs hard. But it's not like people say that, oh, as soon as you press on the brake, it's gonna suck your face out. No, that doesn't happen. No. It's not like a freaking sensitive ass brake. Now when you do a big brake upgrade, normally these bigger brakes do better on the track. It's with heat, so it doesn't heat up much as the stock brakes. So the brake fade is minimal. I still haven't tried it because honestly I can't run the car. I haven't raced the car like that. I haven't run it fast like I did before. When I did that with my stock brakes, there were times when it did fade, but honestly I haven't even tried to see the brake fade on this one. Eventually I know we will, but oh, and apart from, I forgot to tell you, man, there's too much. Apart from the rear diffuser, we have another wrap for the car, and I still gotta paint that, man. I'm just been lazy, guys, honestly. I mean, the reason why you haven't seen as many videos, because I was sick and I could barely get out of bed, so I just couldn't film videos. So now I'm actually starting to do it again. I had to get better. You know, the car's a bit dirty, but you know, whatever. It's been raining all day, literally. Honestly, look, it's like super cloudy. It's been raining all day here in Florida, or every day here in Florida. I don't run spacers on my car. People ask me if I run spacers. I do not run spacers. That's just my offset, you know, my 10.5 plus 23 offset. And these are my 9.5 plus 35 offset, I think. Plus 35 offset. I don't run spacers, but when I got the brakes, it is like, it was too tight. It's just the way the brakes, the rims are. So these right here, if they come out a little bit right here, it'll be fine. But I did have to run. You guys see it right there. If you guys see it right there, that's an 8mm spacer. That's just to clear the brakes. It also depends what type of wheel you're running, the design of the wheel, the spokes, whatever. I don't like running spacers, so I'm thinking of what to do. Is it worth the upgrade? it just depends on the person and what you want. And I think if you drive your car even just a little hard, I think it is, yeah, it's worth the upgrade. If you just daily drive and you drive normal, you're like a stance, whatever, like, no, just don't waste the money, put it on something else, because the difference is just minimal, at least for me. Just look at this side profile, guys. Like, this thing is beautiful. All right, let's get out of here, man. We're sweating. But you guys, stay tuned. Big things coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my previous videos. Check out all the videos. Share the videos so we can keep growing. Love you guys. Thank you for always supporting. And so many good things coming soon. Just stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram at realgmaxine_. So you can keep up to date with the car. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.